Hello, I'm Sarah Cassins, your 31 gal, and this is a bags and beauty video. Today we're going to do a live unboxing, and I'm going to show you what came in my shipment today. So I got 2 boxes. This is a little one. We got our air bubbles, of course, and I got the little carry-all caddy in a new print. This one is called Playful Pop, and these little carry-all caddies are fantastic for little gift baskets. These are great for Easter baskets. At Christmas time, you can use them instead of stockings. And they're great around organizing cabinets and stuff as well. And to match it, I got this full set of gymnastics stuff. And it says, chalky hair, don't care. The little girl doing gymnastics. And this is great for your hairspray. Full-size hairsprays can fit in here. It's called 24/7 case. It's got these little mesh pockets on the inside. There's 2 of them for all the other little things. Also, really good for dance shoes if you're doing dance instead of gymnastics. And I like how this gumdrop print goes along with the dots. This is a lunch break thermal. Fun fact about this, you can fit a rotisserie chicken inside one of these. The whole case and everything could fit inside a lunch break thermal. So these, I like it because it's cute enough to pass as a purse. It's got nice long shoulder straps, so you can carry it over your shoulder comfortably. So I feel like it's a little bit one of our more feminine styles of lunch boxes. Most of them are pretty unisex. And then we have the canvas statement bag. I really love these statement bags. They're a lot like statement t-shirts. Put whatever you want on them. This one says, every day I'm tumbling. Kind of like the song. And then we have our classic zip top organizing utility tote. If you know 31, you've probably seen one of these guys before. This is like probably our number 2 seller as far as totes. Only number 1 is the large utility totes, are most popular. So this has 7 external pockets. So it's got 5 of these rounded ones and 2 of these mesh ones here. And this big wide open space. This is perfect for carrying around binders and stuff. Change of costume. And this one says Queen of the Beam. Like I said, I had lots of gymnastic themed things in this set here. I've got a big box now. I'm going to show you what came in this one. And everything that you're seeing here can be found in the 2019-2020 Winter 31 catalog. So if you're watching this after, some of the prints have been retired, but we probably have something fabulous new out on our website. Alright, so this next one is another statement canvas bag. This says, warning, I'm a gymnast. I could flip out at any moment. Please keep a safe distance. I'm a really big fan of the statement canvas bags. You can do a lot of funny phrases on them. And then we have a small utility tote. So this is like our classic large's little sister. My favorite feature on this, so it's got nice long handles, so it's comfortable over your shoulder, just like that thermal I told you about. My favorite feature on this one though is this pocket. It's kind of poofy. It's not quite a cargo pocket, but it's got some oomph to it. You can fit some stuff in there. It's not flat. It's got a nice frame on it. Great for grocery shopping and for storage and organization. That's a small utility tote. And then, last but not least, this is a winter 2019-2020 winter catalog hostess exclusive. So we still have a little bit of time left if you want to host with this catalog. And this is one of our pouches. It's only $18. Great for organizing all your cords, travel documents, mini planner set, and it comes with embroidery included. So that's all I've got here in my boxes this time. I'll see you soon. Bye.